Hello and welcome to part 2 of our summary of the Pringle POS system. Today we're going to go ahead and go over the Dine-in section, which will include adding guests, changing orders on tables, processing payments, and printing receipts. So let's get started. To get to the Dine-in section, all you have to do is hit this Dine-in tile, and we're going to select a table. So let's just pick table 1. So to add an order, all you have to do is select add item, pick a category. So we have test category. We also have soups. So you'll have soups, main dishes, side dishes, stuff like that. Once you select soup, we're going to go ahead and select sweet corn soup. And let's just say, for the sake of it, they ordered 2. So once you pick your order, you're going to go and select register. And that'll take you back to the main screen. Once you get back to register, let's say that there's another guest or somebody swings by. Go ahead and select add guest. So we're going to put and make sure that the guest orders as well. Let's just say that they order 3 corn soups. We're going to go back ahead and select register one more time. Now that we've gotten the orders, we're going to send those orders to the kitchen. To send them to the kitchen, all you have to do is hit the send to kitchen button. Once you hit that button, it'll actually send 2 receipts. It's going to send a receipt for every guest. So if you have 2 receipts, it'll be 2 guests. If you get 4 guests, you'll send 4 receipts and so on. Now let's go ahead and manage tables. Say that you also have table 2. Now table 2 has already ordered, so let's say that they're done eating and they wanna go ahead and pay. We're gonna go ahead and print the regular receipt that'll have the full order on it. Once that receipt is printed, you can take it back to the table, and they will go ahead and pick their mode of payment. And once they give you their form of payment, cash, card, you can go ahead and take it and select the payment section. Once we get to the payment section, we have 2 options. We have the full option, which means you're going to pay the whole bill in one area. One person's going to pay that bill. You also have the split option. The split option is set up into 2 different options. You're going to have the custom option, which decides if you want to split the bill 2 ways, 3 ways, or 4, up to 25 different ways. Now the trick is, if you split it, it does have to be an even split. So if it's $10, it has to be split into $5, $6.50, $3.25 each, so on. Now let's say that instead of that, our guests want to pay each. So we're going to have guest 1. There's only 1 guest here, so you would just select that and hit enter. So we've gone ahead and paid, and he's going to put in a tip of 5. So now his order is going to go up to $15.85. Now you can decide cash or card. When you select cash, you can enter in how much he's actually going to say. We already put in the tip, so we're going to say $15.85 and hit update and go ahead and hit process. And it shows you how much change you owe. In this case, we do not owe any change. Now that's taken care of, let's go back to table 1, and we're going to process this in multiple guests and with a card. So they've done eating, so what we're going to do is hit receipt, and we'll take the receipt to them, and they will decide that they want to pay with cards. So we're going to go back into payment, and we are going to take this total, $47.94, and we're going to split it as guest. So guest 1 is going to pay. He owes $17.34, and we're going to say that he paid with card. You're going to go ahead and hit process, and it's going to prompt you to swipe the card. And you can go ahead and do that with the second guest. All you have to do is hit the second guest and go through the same process, and you should be good to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for part 3 and have a good day.